So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can submit an article, or if you'd like to refer to it as a story, on the Foodie Finder website. So I'm in the dashboard, as you can see right here. Now, if you're not sure how to get to the dashboard, you will want to refer to the video that is logging in. There's another video that walks you through how to get here. So from the dashboard, we're going to go over here to the left-hand side, and we're going to click the red button that says Add New Content. And then we're going to click the very bottom option, Article. Okay, it's then going to take us to a screen to add all of the information in regards to the article. So we're still using our dummy account, Tammy's Cafe. So we're going to call the article Tammy's Cafe More Than Just Soups and Sandwiches. And then you can pick a category. You just click the red select button, and we're going to put it under food. Now you can pick the publication date. So you can pick the date that you want this to show up online. I'm going to leave that as today's date. Okay, the abstract, you can leave it the same as the article title. So I'm just going to copy this here and I'm going to paste it here. Now, as we keep going down on the left-hand side, the next option is regarding content. Now, you can type the story here, or if you have it saved in another program, Word, Notepad, or something like that, you can copy and paste it in here. So I have it saved in Word, so I'm going to pull that up, and we're going to copy it over into the contents. So I'm in Word and I have copied all of my text, and now I'm going to take it back over into the Foodie Finder dashboard and paste it in there instead of just typing it. Now I'm going to be pasting it right here in the content section. And this is an article that's actually already on Foodie Finder. I'm just using it as an example. So I've pasted it in here. If you need to make any adjustments regarding formatting, you can do so once you have pasted it in here. And all of those options are up here, from bold, italic, changing the color with the fonts and size, and all of that information. I at least recommend that the articles are in 12 or 14 point font size. So now we're going to keep going down the page, and the next item is keywords for search. So we can type in Tammy's Cafe article, and you can do a comma, and then it lets you put in another keyword. As you'll see down here, you can have a max of 10 keywords, and we're just going to use cafe article, food article. And again, you can do up to 10. I'm just going to leave it at that many for now. The next section is SEO, search engine optimization. Yes, there is an SEO section just for articles, and the title will carry down from the top. The page name you do not need to worry about. That is how it's identified on the Foodie Finder website. SEO keywords. This is keywords that are used directly in the search engines. So let's do Tammy's Cafe article. Tammy's Cafe food, Tammy's Cafe soups and sandwiches. Again, you can do a comma after every item that you want to be a keyword. Now, the description down here is different than the story. So this description is for search engine optimization purposes only. And you can put a detailed description in here. You could use maybe the first paragraph out of the article. It's completely up to you what you want to put in here for the description. I really encourage you to use this SEO section so it can help you come up higher in the search engines. Now we're going to scroll up and we're going to go over to the right-hand side. And this is an important section. This is about the article author. So we want to make sure whoever is the author of this article is identified. You also need to make sure that you have the rights to this article to use on the Foodie Finder website. You may be asked to provide proof of written authorization for this article to be able to be used on the Foodie Finder website. We want to make sure that we're respecting the people or organizations where this article may have originated from. If you have any questions about that, you're welcome to email us at any time to support@foodiefinder.us. So the author name would go here. If they would have a website link that they want attached to the article, here, there can be a little bit about them. An author picture can go here in this section. The next section I'm going to talk about is photo gallery. Okay, so you can actually have pictures that go along with your article and will show up on that page. And you're going to see what that's going to look like here in just a couple minutes. But let's go through uploading the gallery images. So here on my screen, you see that I have a folder pulled up that has some pictures that I would like to include. Again, this is a sample, so I'm using random pictures from an article that's already on the Foodie Finder website. So I'm just going to select that we want these 4 images to be included with this article. So I've selected those 4, and I'm going to drag them to where it says drop files here to upload. Once you drop those files, you will see them populate on screen. If you have any questions regarding the dimensions or file size, you will see that right here at the bottom where I've highlighted that information. Now we're going to scroll on down. Once you have this information in here, you're going to click Save, and then you're going to end up back on the dashboard. Now that we're at the dashboard, you will see you have to scroll down when there is multiple items for your same login. So you will see right here, it's identified as the article, and it is showing pending. And it is going to show pending until a member of the Foodie Finder team approves the article. Again, I will say if there is any question of who originated the article or any approval process or anything, we will reach out and may request that information. So let's actually take a look at what it's going to look like on the website. So when the article pulls up, this shows you the date, the title of the article. You can actually share it right here, and you can actually bookmark it. So it will show you one of the pictures will display at the top. The article is below, and the additional pictures. And that is how you submit an article. When you're back on your dashboard and you want to know about the stats or the traffic regarding your article, you want to make sure that you click on that section, and it will change the information you see here in the center of your screen. This will give you your activity or traffic report regarding just the article. As I have said before, all of the items on Foodie Finder's website traffic is reported on an individual basis. So you want to make sure if you want to know about the article traffic that you have selected it. There's a red line that shows out to the left, and you can also click the stats button, and this will come up in the middle of the page.